This journal is made from scratch and I call it Mujercitas because it is about little girls from the past. The cover is decorated with lace and an elegant brooch. The quality of the paper is very nice, handmade, very thin. You can write on it if you want to write something, or you can put some pictures on it. In the packets, you will find some nice memorabilia. You can, of course, take them out and replace them with memorabilia, pictures, and anything that is important to you. And use these pictures to create something new. You see little pieces of laces. You can use these pictures to create something new, a new card or bookmarks. And in this little envelope, I put some little papers for you to create. Here you find pieces of laces that you can use and glue somewhere else, or just leave them as it is. So just take out the clip and use them. So you could do something like that. You see, with the laces from the page before, create your own tag. These checkered dresses are so cute. Here you also find some more designs printed on strong papers. Some tickets that you can age with wax or any other type like coffee or tea and create your own cards. These little girls look so cute. I created some skirts with some old laces and tulle. I think they look super cute. Mujercitas, collection of memories.